Okay, today we're gonna make the Quillian crack rice. To do that, we need one of these trays. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2 sticks of butter into the tray, but we gotta unwrap them. Also, we have turned the oven on to 350 degrees and we are preheating. So what we're gonna do is put those in there and let them melt. And then we'll get the rest of it going. Next, we're gonna line up our ingredients. We got 2 cans of beef consomme, 2 small cans of mushrooms, and 2 cans of French onion soup. That is gonna go in. The next thing we're gonna need is 2 cups of rice. Today we're using organic basmati rice from Trader Joe's. 2 cups, but you can use any white rice. The butter melts slowly. So we're gonna need a can opener for this because it looks like only French onion soup people like to open their can easy, and the beef consomme people use can openers. And the mushroom people get their tops open too. So let's get a can opener. Okay, everything's ready to open now. I mean, to dump into the thing. So we dump it all. I think we put the mushrooms on top. We put the rice on the bottom. You can choose the French onion or the beef consomme, however you'd like. Okay, so what we got here is almost melted butter. You could melt the rest of it if you really wanted to, just by moving it around. But it really doesn't make a difference. Unless you ask the chef, and then he says it probably does, so we'll just melt it down. Okay. Dump the rice in. Now, I'm gonna stir it up. I don't know if I've witnessed the Quillian do this, but I want my rice to be fully encapsulated in butter before it starts to rise. Okay, so we're gonna start with the French onion because I'm a big fan of onions. And it looks like if you really wanted to get all that out of there, you could dump the beef into the onion and get the rest out. But that would take 2 hands. Okay, so then we put in some beef consomme. Now I think that when he does these, he just puts them right on top. But so that's the whole thing. Next, you're gonna want to take some aluminum foil and cover the top. Then it's going into the oven. We're gonna put it on for an hour. Once you got it nicely sealed, you're gonna put it into the oven and wait until it's ready. Let's put an hour on the clock. Somehow I made a mess already. But we're gonna throw that in there. It's gonna go for an hour. Okay, so I pulled this out. This is the Quillian crack rice. Looks like it's pretty perfect in there. So we're gonna close it back up, let it sit, and bring it to the party. We'll see how the people like it. So of course, what's going first before everything else, the crack rice.
The way it works.
You can do a little better.